Sup YouTube family, it's your boy King A. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a super profitable and simple scalping strategy that has a very high win rate. So if this is your first time on my channel, give this video a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. Now without further ado, let's jump on the charts and let's get this video started, and I'll see you guys inside. For this scalping strategy, we're going to be using two indicators, and we're going to be looking at this strategy using the 15-minute time frame. But before we actually get into today's video, so if you guys want access to my signals on Discord, the link is going to be down below in the description. All you have to do is to just click the link down below, and you guys will definitely get access to my signals on Discord. So now, like I've told you guys earlier, we're going to be using this strategy, and we're going to be using two indicators, and we're going to be looking at this strategy on the 15-minute time frame. Now, the two indicators we're going to be using is, I want you guys to go here, two indicators, and you just search for DEMA, D-E-M-A, which is this right here. It is the double exponential moving average. Once you find it, you just click on it, and then the first one, we're going to change the first one to 25, and for the style you can use whatever color you want to use. Once you're done, you click on OK. Now the second one, I want you guys to change that to 55. Once you're done, you click on OK. Now I'll be showing you guys two examples. I'll be showing you guys a sell example and also a buy example. I'm not trying to make this video too long. I promise you guys this is going to be a very short video. I'm just going to get straight to the point. Now, if we take a look at this sell here, now when we're using this strategy, we need to make sure that the 25 and the 55 double EMA is above price once we're trying to get in a sell position, meaning price has to be below both indicators, and we need to see the 25 crossing the 55 double EMA. Now that's our first confirmation. Now once we have that confirmation, we need to make sure that our support zone has to be below the indicators, meaning we need to look for our low. So we have a low here. This is our low here before price rejected. So we have our low right here. This is our low right over there, meaning that's our support zone right over here. So we have a support zone here. As you guys can see, resistance became support, as you guys can see right over here. If we look at this to the left hand side, now once we have our zone already, now I'm going to put this in replay mode and show you guys where your entry is going to be using this strategy. So now let's see where our entry is going to be. So I'm going to start from here before we had the cross. So let's take a look and see. Now we have the cross right over here. So now we're trying to see if price is actually going to reject this zone here just like it did previously. So all we have to do now is to wait and see if we're going to have a break below our resistance zone, now turn support zone, before we get in our position. So let's keep looking. Now we have closed, we have this candle closed below our support zone. Now we're just waiting to get in our position. Now we will have our entry right over here at this bearish candle. We have our entry right over here because this candle closed bullish, so we'll have our entry right over here, and we will have our stop loss right above our zone. We just give it a little bit of room. We're looking at 15 pips. Now when it comes to looking for our take profit target, because when it comes to forex, I say this all the time, we actually trading from zones to zones. So all we have to do is to look to the left hand side, and we can potentially target this zone here as our next, as our take profit target, because we clearly have a low right over here, meaning this was a support zone. Price found it hard to break this zone multiple times. So this is our take profit target. So we're anticipating that price is going to get to that zone. So we'll have our take profit target all the way down here. We're looking at 47 pips right there. And so let's see. So now let's actually see how this trade played out. So let's take a look here. Right there, we had a take profit smash for 47 pips, stop loss 15 pips, risk reward ratio 3-to-1. And mind you, you don't have to target, you don't have to have your take profit all the way down here. You can have multiple take profits. Even though we have this for almost 50 pips, you can have, multiple take profit, let's say, 15 pips, or maybe 20 pips, or maybe 30 pips. It all depends on you, but we know for sure that we trading from zones to zones, and we have a potential take profit target here for 47 pips, and we can have multiple take profits in between. So this is exactly how you use this strategy to take a sell position. So now let's go here and actually look for a buy example. So let's see here. Now, okay, we'll use this example here. Now, when it comes to taking a buy position, we need to make sure that the 25 double EMA crosses the 55 double EMA, and we also need to make sure that we figure out where our resistance zone is, and you need to make sure that your resistance zone is actually above both indicators before you get in your position. What I'm trying to say is you need to make sure that your resistance zones is above the 25 double EMA and also above the 55 double EMA. And over here, before we get in our buy position, we can see that we have a resistance zone here, and we clearly above the 25 and the 55 double EMA. So that's our resistance zone right there. So now I'm going to put this in replay mode and show you guys where your entry is going to be. So let's put this in replay mode, and let me show you guys where your entry is going to be. So let's see here. Let me move this around. Let's go back here. Okay, so now let's put this in replay mode and show you guys where your entry is going to be for this strategy, for this position. Let's put this in replay mode, and let's start from here right before we had the cross. So let's take a look and see. So now we had the cross over here, and now we have this break above our resistance zone. Now we're just waiting to see if the next candle is going to close bullish or if it's going to close bearish. So let's see how this played out. Now we can have our entry at this bullish candle. We can have our entry right over here. Can have our entry right over here at this bullish candle, and we'll have our stop loss right below this zone, and we'll give it more room, and we can target 20 pips as our stop loss. And for our take profit zone, all we have to do is to look here to the left hand side, and we can target this zone right here. We can target this zone here, this next resistance zone here, because this was our previous high. So we can target that zone right there, and all we have to do now is to just drag this all the way here, drag this all the way here, and we can move this all the way up for our take profit target. And we have that for 58 pips, almost 60 pips, risk reward ratio 2 to 8. So let's see how this trade actually played out. So right there, we got our take profit smash. We got our take profit smash right there for 58 pips, stop loss 20 pips, risk to reward ratio 2 to 8. And like I told you guys earlier as well, you can have multiple take profits in between these two zones here for 20 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips, 10 pips, however many pips you're trying to target. So you don't have to wait until price gets to your final take profit. And always remember to move your stop loss to entry price, and just keep trailing your stop loss as price keeps going in your direction. So guys, this is exactly how you use this scalping strategy for a buy position and a sell position. I promise you guys, this video was not going to be too long. I'm just going to go straight to the point. So guys, I hope you guys find value in this video, and if you found value in this video, all I ask is that you give this video a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. I'll see you guys in my next video, and God bless you all. Peace and love.